Alright. Oh, my bad. Thinking about getting something to eat. What's good, y'all? I'm gonna show you guys how I do my work for social studies. Let's do this. Well, I'm already doing a bell ringer right now, and I have to copy this stuff.
Oh, Lord.
And I don't have to make any corrections. Well, I think I do actually do. Anyways, I actually misspelled that. My bad, guys. Hold on, let me see if you guys can see it. There we go. We're literally on the TV screen, and yeah. Alright, anyways, I'm gonna spell proper nouns. I'm already done with I gotta have my mom. Mom, you okay, mom?
Yeah, I heard him delete that. I hope you don't lie to me.
Keep that camera off me. I don't want to do it.
It's not.
Look, Mike said, "Keep that camera off me."
Wow.
So you didn't even say that.
My parents do not want them to be on camera. Dang. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing some assignments. Gotta copy that entire thing, but correct it. I literally anyways.
Okay, so he did one with big class with big wasn't in there. I see that one.
Okay. I think I have to go to RTI for some reason or something like that. Alright. But I'll do this in a minute real quick. Hold on. And the time is alright, actually let me get some PE work done from yesterday. Let me get this over with since it's way too easy. That's not the end. Alright, can't do that. Can I go on it? Thank you. Alright, so I didn't even go to the meet in PE, even though I would just say I have to go to a class, but I really don't do it. I don't even go to it, but see, this is how I get the right. It shows dribble on it, right? And what was the skill of the day? I'm clearly going to pick dribble and crossover dribble and slam dunk. Clearly not a slam dunk. Maybe. Side to side power crossover dribble. Okay. And this is how I easily get it right. Bam. It's so easy. Literally, it's too easy. Then boom, we get that over with. Done 8th, done 9th, done 10th.
He's using a little bit. Let me see. Bring it in, Kai.
Yes, ma'am.
He's using a little camera. Bring it in. He's using a
Boy, you make it pop when you pop.
Let's turn it off because we don't want to. Let me see. Give me.